Internet technology has provided a paradigm shift in what we use and how we communicate. So let's take a little closer look at some of these technologies and what makes them work. The modern web is often referred to as Web 2.0, meaning a web that is engaging, interactive, dynamic, and collaborative. There are many ways of describing the modern web, such as crowdsourcing, where users become active participants in the content that is displayed. In the example of popular services such as YouTube, Pandora, and Django, participants help choose the content that is made available through collaborative filtering. There is an old saying that two heads are better than one. Imagine how helpful it would be to have 1,000 heads working together on an issue instead of having to do it all by yourself. Collective intelligence makes this possible by tapping into the most knowledgeable people in the world about a specific issue. Technology that makes the modern web services work include AJAX, that is a combination of web technologies including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the document object model. Using this set of technology allows for dynamic, interactive content on a web page without the need to refresh the page. Wikis are a collaborative way of publishing information. Of course, the most popular wiki is Wikipedia, but there are a lot of other wiki sites providing information from cooking to product information pages. Most wiki sites require membership, and content is monitored by members to maintain quality. Folksonomies, or tag clouds as they are often referred, are used to classify information and make it easier to find. When we post content to a site, we have the ability to associate tags and content so others may find our information easier. Many sites allow members to modify tags. You may have several sites you like to stay up to date with on a regular basis. This can be time-consuming, having to go to the site and see if there is an update to the information. Subscribing to the site may be an option. Web feeds make staying up to date easier, as when a site makes an update, it is collected by a web reader or aggregator. You can then simply check the feed reader for updates to the sites instead of having to check the site manually. Have you heard of the semantic web? It's the notion that all data on the web can have meaning attached, providing readers and writers with a much richer experience and enabling machine-to-machine reasoning. The semantic web uses coding that makes page content understandable by machines and is able to create links between pages, making information easier to find when searched. A mashup in web development is a web page or web application that uses and combines data, presentation, or functionality from two or more sources to create new services. The main characteristics of a mashup are combination, visualization, and aggregation. It is important to make existing data more useful for personal and professional use. Social networking is the grouping of individuals into specific groups, like a neighborhood subdivision, if you will. Although social networking is possible in person, especially in the workplace, universities, and high schools, it is most popular online. Examples of social media networking communities that businesses are likely to use include Twitter, Facebook pages, LinkedIn, and Google+. Instant messaging is a form of communication over the Internet that offers an instantaneous transmission of text-based messages from sender to receiver. More advanced instant messaging allows enhanced modes of communication, such as live voice or video calling, video chat, and the inclusion of hyperlinks to media. Text messaging, or texting, is the exchange of brief written text messages between two or more mobile phones or fixed or portable devices over a phone network utilizing short message service (SMS) technology. Text messaging are short, containing no more than 160 English characters, including spaces. Services that use an SMS gateway allow text messages to be sent to other platforms such as Instant Message Client or a desktop computer. While to some, when you mention blogs, they may think of personal online diaries. Many blogs provide commentary on a particular subject. Others function more as online brand advertising of a particular or individual company. A typical blog combines text, images, and links to other blogs, web pages, and other media related to its topic. A trackback is an automated process of notifying a blog that you linked to an article. Trackbacks are a great way of letting another blogger know you are referencing their work. Microformats provide an easy way for you, the blogger, to create content that is easy to find, share, distribute, syndicate, and aggregate. The microformat provides a platform-independent way of describing your content, whether it's a recipe, a resume, or contact information, such as how you might know someone you're linking. It is important to remember when communicating online to do so effectively. Whether using text messages, IM, or other social media applications, remember to make your messages clear and concise. Always remember to use common sense and politeness when communicating with others to avoid harassment. Treat your online communication in the same way as you would in face-to-face communication. Businesses tend to use a lot of different technologies for communication. Some terminology you may encounter include unified communications, meaning the integration of all forms of communication. Convergence, or the integration of telephoning and data technologies over a single media. Voice over IP, VoIP, where you convert voice communication into data packets for transmission over the network. A call center is a centralized office where large volumes of phone requests are processed, and then a contact center where customers are able to communicate in other forms such as email, web chat, or IM, in addition to just phone contact. In today's environment, the advances in mobile computing, including phones, tablets, and laptop computers, make it easy for anyone to work and communicate from basically anywhere that they have access to the internet. Being connected also refers to letting those around you know you are connected. This is referred to as presencing. Communication is easier than ever today, and understanding how and what to use is an important part of living and working in our digital world.